It's on his belly button. You were right. Push it. Push it hard. No, push the belly.
You missed. Try again.
Push the
Can
belly
you
button
find
hard.
one?
Push it. Push it right hard. Might be.
You missed. Try again. Can you find one?
Push it. Push it. Push hard. Push hard.
Yahoo!
Yeah, you got it.
Got me. Can you find two?
We're looking for 2. Do you remember where 2 is? Yeah.
Yahoo! You got me.
Yeah.
Can you find three?
You got it. That's 3. Push it. Push hard. Push it a little lower than the number. Push it right here. No, here. Here. You were right on the number, but
Yahoo!
there.
You got me. Can you find four?
Do you remember 4? Where's 4? That's 5.
Try again.
Look
Can
on his
you
cheek,
find
Felix.
four?
Look on his cheek.
Whoops. You missed. Try again.
Look.
Can you find four?
Yeah, that's 4. No, here. On his cheek. Push it.
Yahoo! You got me. Can you find five?
Where's 5? Where's number 5?
Yahoo! You got me. Can you find six?
That's 7, Felix. Where's 6? No.
Whoops. You missed. Try again. Can you find six?
Look on his foot. Do you see 6 on his foot? That's 2.
Whoops. You missed. Try
Do you see it?
again.
What about
Can
his
you
other foot?
find six?
What about his other foot?
Yahoo!
Yeah.
You got me. Can you find seven?
Does the blueberry work? Alright, where's 7? Oh, it's the bear eating? That's nice. Yeah, he's a nice bear, huh?
Hi, little buddy. Are you still there? Come
Uh-oh.
on, play with me.
Where's
Can you find seven?
7? Where's 7, Felix? Oh. Well, that's nice that you feed the bear, too. He's doing hard work. Oops. Yeah, you dropped one. That's okay.